Everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of knitting. Forget those rushed tutorials, we're going to learn this step by step. Just like you're in a real class. Get your needles and yarn ready, because we're about to create something amazing. First things first, the materials. You'll need knitting needles. These come in various sizes, so check your pattern. You'll also need yarn. The type of yarn affects the look and feel of your project, so choose wisely. A pair of scissors and a tapestry needle are also handy. Now, let's learn how to cast on. This is how you get your stitches onto the needle. There are several methods, but we'll start with the long tail cast on. First, measure out a tail of yarn, about 3 times the width of your project. Make a slip knot, place it on your needle, and tighten. Hold the needle with the slip knot in your right hand. Drape the yarn over your left hand, with the long tail, going over your thumb and the working yarn over your index finger. Now, with the needle, go under the thumb loop. Grab the yarn from the index finger, and pull it through the thumb loop. Drop the thumb loop, and tighten the new stitch on the needle. Repeat this until you have the desired number of stitches. Next, the knit stitch. This is the most fundamental stitch. Hold the needle with the cast-on stitches in your left hand. Insert the right hand needle into the first stitch from left to right. Wrap the working yarn around the right hand needle. Pull the yarn through the stitch, creating a new stitch on the right hand needle. Slip the old stitch off the left hand needle. Continue this for all stitches on the left hand needle. Now, the purl stitch. This creates a different texture. Hold the needle with the stitches in your left hand. Bring the working yarn to the front of your work. Insert the right hand needle into the first stitch from right to left. Wrap the yarn around the right hand needle. Pull the yarn through the stitch. Slip the old stitch off the left hand needle. Continue until all stitches are purled. Let's talk about reading a pattern. Knitting patterns use abbreviations, so learn these. K stands for knit, P for purl, street for stitch, and so on. Pay attention to stitch counts. Patterns tell you how many stitches to cast on, and how to decrease or increase stitches. Follow the row's instructions. Usually, the instructions are for the right side of the work, and you will repeat the wrong side with opposite stitches. Binding off is the last step. Knit the first 2 stitches. Then, using the left needle, lift the first stitch over the second stitch and off the needle. Knit the next stitch and repeat the lift over process. Continue until 1 stitch remains. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail, and pull the tail through the last stitch to secure. Weave in all loose ends using a tapestry needle. Practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if you make mistakes. Knitting is all about enjoying the process.